Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record video in 4K on this device. So first of all, you have to open your camera, then you have to switch to the video mode, then tap here, and here you can select your video resolution. You can set it on 720p, Full HD, Super Full HD, and here you have your 4K Ultra Super High HD mode. You just set it here, and now you can record video in 4K. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.